Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Elden Ring Randomizer. First, you will need to gather a few essential files to begin your randomized journey. This includes the main Randomizer mod, Mod Engine 2, and the Elden Mod Loader. These tools work together to enable the randomization features within your game. Make sure to download them from reputable modding communities to ensure compatibility and a smooth installation process. Once you have all the necessary files, the next step is installation. Extract each downloaded archive and place the Elden Mod Loader files into your Elden Ring game directory. Then, configure Mod Engine 2 by editing its configuration file. This step is crucial as it tells the game to load the randomizer. Always double-check file paths to prevent common errors during this process. With the core components in place, it is time to customize your experience. Open the randomizer application and point it to your Elden Ring game executable. Here, you can choose to randomize 2,886 enemy items and 4,039 map items, along with enemy placements and other game parameters. After selecting your desired settings, click the Randomize button to create your unique world. To begin your randomized adventure, launch the game through the mod's dedicated launcher or batch file, bypassing the standard Steam launch. It is highly recommended to play in offline mode to prevent any conflicts with the game's anti-cheat system. Prepare for a truly unique journey where every item, enemy, and boss encounter could be completely different. Enjoy exploring the lands between with a fresh sense of discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.